Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the clip closely, identify material and where it mounts. Use gloves and a vise to stabilize the knife. This prevents torque on the pivot. If steel, you may skip heat. If stainless or titanium, plan for controlled heat to relieve stress. Once clamped, measure the bend angle and mark the desired straight line. Make small, incremental corrections. Forceful single moves can snap the clip. Begin with gentle pressure, so you can assess spring tension and alignment. You now shape the clip with measured, controlled pressure. Position padded pliers at the mark and bend toward the handle in small increments. This preserves temper and spring. If heat is required, warm evenly to roughly 300 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This reduces cracking risk. Do not overheat. After each tweak, reattach or simulate mounting to verify pocket and ride height. Make sure to maintain the clip's curve where it mates to the handle, so it retains grip and proper spring action. Finish by checking fit and function. Clip should seat flush, provide consistent retention, and not rub the handle or blade. If small contact points are high, lightly file and polish those spots. Do this incrementally to avoid removing too much metal. Once satisfied, torque screws to spec and recheck. If you encounter cracking or loss of spring, stop. That indicates tempered failure. Replace the clip with matching material and rehearse mounting to prevent repeat bending. One troubleshooting tip. If the clip slips after bending, slightly increase bend at the base rather than mid-span.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.